Well, I thought I'd do a video making crosses again. Just kind of fly by the hip or whatever you call it. Shoot from the hip, I guess. I figure if I watch a guy Outdoors with the Morgan, I think he's got 500,000 subscribers, and the whole gist of his channel is cutting firewood. Well, I figure I'm making crosses from firewood. So yeah, I split up a walnut. This is my blanks here that I got 4 pieces there, and I can get, these are kind of gnarly here, but I've made I think I got 72 walnut right now. No, more than that. I got probably about 80 in the basket here. You can see them here. I've got a few hickory here. The hickory's not as fun, but I need to get the glue off that one. But it's a Saturday. I didn't go kayaking. It's just a little chilly out there. My back's kind of aching pretty bad today. I figured I'd just kind of putz around the shop and make some crosses. But I was thinking, it's a Saturday, and 50 years ago, I would have been 17 years old, and I would have been working at Nicholson Hardware, and I would be not, I would be not, what's the word, the day would seem like it's going forever, and I would be just looking at the clock wanting to get out, because I would probably be going out with friends. 17 years old. Yeah, man, 50 years just like that. It's just hard to believe. Hard to believe. Well, I'm going to go cut this on the... I'll be right back. I'm still here. Okay. Some of these are getting kind of squirrely, but it's a little bit wide. Cut it off the bottom. And these are my 2 favorite Liam Hoffman axes. Been using this one for the, it's a carving axe. This one's a camp axe. This one works well for when I could probably use this mallet. Let's see. Talking and using sharp tools, is that a good idea? Kind of like rubbing your tummy and, or wait, patting your tummy and rubbing your head. Is that how that one goes? You can hear my heater above me. Feels pretty good, actually. It's cold out. I think the wind chill is making it feel like it's in the 30s. Got my cardiologist appointment on Thursday coming up. I always hate that time of year. My blood pressure always goes up in the office. I think I have they tell me I have white coat. Well, I have high blood pressure, but it goes sky high when I'm in the doctor's office, especially the cardiologist office, because you're afraid of what he's going to find. Some people can, I think that must be the squirrel in me. I'd rather go to the dentist than the doctor. I guess because my teeth generally don't give me any problems. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Which face do I want? I'll do that face. Yeah, I tell the cardiologist I'm new at this getting old thing. I've never done it before. The Bible verse, Philippians 4:6. I think it's 4:6 through 7. Be anxious for nothing, but by prayer and supplication, let your requests be made known to God. I try that one whenever I've been in the hospital for my heart or something. And the more you think about it, how you're failing it, the higher the blood pressure goes, I guess. I don't know. We're all different. We all have different weaknesses. Okay. A lot of my friends go to Florida and Arizona for retirement. I hate to travel. I'd rather be putzing in my shop here in the wintertime with the heater on or sitting by the fire. I'm just an odd duck, I guess. I know one thing. If you'd have told me 50 years from when I was working at Nicholson Hardware on a Saturday afternoon I'd be doing this, I probably would have said why. But now I know the rest of the story. to know where I'll be 50 years from now. That's why I'm doing this. Hopefully, I see a lot of the people that I give these to. Now, that is very satisfying. That's better than going to Florida or Arizona. See how tight that joint is? With hand tools? That's very satisfying. I'm not going to lie. That's very satisfying. Allegedly. Yeah, there's lots of images of heaven in this world that end up taking you to hell. You have to for there is a way that seems right to a man, but in the end it leads to death. Okay. From that to that, I find very satisfying. All right, put a little glue on it. Where's my glue? There it is. Should have timed me. I think it's about 15 minutes per cross. 10 to 15 minutes. But that one turned out pretty cool. I like it. Alrighty. Take care. See you on the river. God bless.